So, last week as you call, this simple drill, I'm just deflecting and punching again and again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, we're going to swap it around, as we were doing just a moment ago. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And there's the advantage. As they blocks me, there, punches. Now, if I miss it completely, I've got to default to an outside. That's not a problem in itself, but if I can get it, I want to lift that elbow. So then, sorry, punch again. 1, and that's perfect. Swap it around, where this time I hikyuke there, and then 1, 2. Hikyuke there, 1, 2. So we don't have to be stuck with that. So, and then you can mix and match. The beauty of this is that even if we make a mistake, it's still right, because you're still deflecting. You're not just going into a mental drone of, got to do this drill.